I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to lock an app on your iPhone or iPad and require Face ID or Touch ID to open it. If you have apps on your iPhone or iPad that contain sensitive information like photos, messages, or financial data, you might want an extra layer of security to protect your privacy. Thankfully, Apple makes it easy to lock an app on your iPhone or iPad and require that you authenticate with either Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to open a locked app. The only requirement to lock an app on your iPhone or iPad is that you're using an iPhone running at least iOS 18 or an iPad running at least iPadOS 18. So if you're ready to take control of your app privacy and keep your personal information safe, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Navigate to the app you want to lock on your iPhone or iPad home screen. Step 2. Hold your finger against that app to open a menu. Tap Require Face ID or Require Touch ID in this menu. A window pops up asking if you want to require either Face ID or Touch ID to open this app. Step 3. Tap Require ID. That window closes. Going forward, to open this app, you'll be required to authenticate with either Face ID or Touch ID. You can unlock an app at any time by holding your finger against a locked app and then tapping Don't Require ID in this menu. That specific app will no longer be locked. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.